accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friends said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY glam project. This time I'm doing some Chanel inspired decor. I hope you enjoy. To start with, I picked up these two round gift boxes from my local dollar store, and I knew they'd be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind. Guys, I've made many a flower box, and I knew these round boxes would be perfect for my Chanel inspired flower boxes. I printed out a Chanel logo on an A4 size, and I cut this out. This is going to be our template, guys. Once I cut it out, I had a piece of glitter foam that I picked up from my local dollar store. And what I'm going to do here is just flip it over and cut out two of the Chanel logos.
My mind's accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain.
Guys, I love working with this glitter foam. It's a really inexpensive way to put some glam on your decor. I pick up a few different colours from my dollar store, and I can create so many projects from them.
Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold.
Once I cut it out, I used that as the template again, and I traced out another one.
I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you.
Taking some hot glue, I positioned each logo to the front of the round boxes. Once they were all secure in place, it was now time to decorate with flowers. Now what I did here, guys, is I shopped my own home. I have quite a few decorative flowers throughout my home, and I thought I'd use them here in this DIY. I did pick up a few at the local dollar store a few weeks ago, and I used those as well. Now what I'm doing here is using some plastic bags inside the boxes to give some visual height, and then I'll be placing some floral foam on top. If you choose not to use plastic bags, you could use something like an old towel or an old piece of material. Just that way it will give some height to your flower boxes. I then took 4 floral foam blocks and I added 2 to each of the flower boxes.
It's always something, there's always something in the way.
Now once that was complete, I started to sort through my dollar store flowers. Now I had a variety of colours, and that is what I was aiming for, rather than just going with one solid colour. I started by doing the same thing to both boxes. I took 2 of these larger flowers and I sat them into the centre of my flower arrangement. I then took all different flowers and added them around those 2 flowers. There is wrong or right way here. I just basically went round and added different colours to each section of the box.
The daydream every day as I'm getting older. With the first step, moving up, don't let it slip. You're the one who writes your script. We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step.
Basically, you want to give a very full effect, guys. So what I just did is continued right round and then added more on top to give that fullness.
Somewhere deep in my mind, see the barbed wire.
Once it was complete, I was loving it already. I was loving the colours and textures of the flowers. I loved that I didn't go with one theme, and I used some colour in this beautiful flower box. I then started on that second box, and again using those two larger flowers in the very middle.
Telling you, pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town.
Once they were all complete, it was now time to style them. I have so much fun styling things like this throughout my home. I love showing you different ideas on what you can do with an idea for a DIY project this weekend.
'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if there's a way out. There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight.
I'm all about decorating on a budget, and I love showing you inexpensive ways where you can take an hour of your time and have a decorative glam piece in your home that was completely inexpensive.
We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute, awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here, oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you.
I also wanted to share a shout out, guys, to you all for being so patient with me. This past week has been a little crazy in Chelles' life, so I definitely wanted to put my heart and soul into a good video for you. So I thank you so much for being patient with me, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. 'Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
Guys, I'm always looking for the next DIY project that you might like to see. I absolutely love doing DIYs with floral. I also love doing anything that is very glam. So leave me a comment down below on what you'd like me to create next.
Only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to have a go at your very own DIY glam flower box this weekend.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.